Have you ever tackled a sewing project that went hilariously wrong? Well, come with me on this journey for my linen trousers that went terribly wrong while I was pregnant. I'll tell you why now. Well, let me tell you the story. While I was pregnant, I had this piece of linen that I got really cheap, and I thought, let's make myself a pair of linen trousers to be comfy during the pregnancy, and I didn't leave them room for the bump, so I couldn't finish them, of course, and now that I don't have it, let me see if I can finish them. When I made them, of course, I wanted to use some elastic band on the waistline, so I sewed them all the way up, and now they don't fit because I can't get them in. So let me undo some of the side seam and see if I fit in them or if I have to add some side panels to make them wider. So now I guess it'll fit, or at least I'll be able to try it on. We'll see. Well, they fit me. The only thing is that they are a bit itchy. I've never had, I'm not sure if I've ever had anything linen. I don't remember it. The original idea was to have an elasticated waistband, but they don't fit me like that. They are small. So I'm going to add a zip on the side that I just opened. But first I'm going to cut them because they're a bit long. So I'm going to leave them a bit shorter, like halfway my calves, so they're a bit more summery. And then I'm going to give it a big hemline, like at least 3 centimeters, so it has a bit of weight and it looks nicer. And I'm going to just pin the 2 side seams because I want to zigzag stitch everything first. Well, I know linen frays a lot, and that's why I zigzag stitch it all around, but I didn't do the double hem because I thought it might feel bulky and not feel flowy. So let me know in the comments if it's better to have a simple hem or a double hem in fabrics like this. And now I'm going to add the zip, and to do so I'm going to not add facings but just fold the top bit. So I'm going to add the zip that I'll be cutting because it's too long, and then do that at least 3 centimeters, I guess. My zip is not an invisible one, it's a normal one, so it's going to be quite easy to sew. I'm going to take advantage of the marks the previous seam left on my fabric, so I don't have to press it or anything. But you can, if you press it and then place the zip on the inside, it's going to be fairly easy. And if not, just make sure that you are folding to sew on top. It's going to be like a top stitch, and with the zip foot it's going to be just fine. And now to finish the zip, the top of the bit is like doing facings, so I'm going to just fold the fabric and sew on top of the first seam I did on the right side. So I'm going to keep my zip presser foot to make sure I can manage well. And then all on top is going to be another simple hem with just folding ones and sewing all around. El micro. Tenemos el micro. Esto lo pensé más mal. Estupendo. Qué bien. Pantalones nuevos. Well, I'm really happy with the result because it's something I had done and I can use. So let me know down in the comments if you have rescued something from your pile of mistakes and what you've done to it. And don't forget to subscribe, to like, and I'll see you around. Bye!